Welcome to Hiksun Drakon here, be dragon. So, first of all, today we are going to be taking a look at the rings around Uranus. I mean Uranus, but it's been so long since I've been able to make a Uranus reference. Anyways, if you like the content, be sure to subscribe. It's one of the best things you can do for my channel right now. So, this is one of the latest James Webb images, and it is of, well, Uranus, especially the rings. It's a really awesome image. We have galaxies around here and stuff, but more importantly, we have Uranus right here in the middle. It looks really nice. You can see all the rings around it. You can also see all the moons. It has quite a few moons here. I'm not even going to attempt to just name them off because, well, I don't know them by heart. But this is a really awesome image. I will put a link to it down below in the description, which is very close to the subscribe button. All right, next, life on Enceladus. Yes. Check this out. So, back a couple years ago, they analyzed all the icy streams that were coming off of Enceladus and found that it contained some pretty cool, chemicals like water, carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, and molecular hydrogen. Then they went ahead and they went back over everything that came out of that water that Cassini detected. And they really dug into it, created sort of a new way of analyzing the chemical signatures. And they found hydrogen cyanide, acetylene, propylene, ethane, and a host of hydrocarbons, which are, well, very important to life. So some of this here, I'm going to read out real quick, is that they concluded that the icy jets included the 5 already identified molecules, but bigger, heavier compounds, including hydrocarbons, such as hydrogen cyanide and ethane, as well as traces of partially oxidized compounds, such as methanol. So, together with previously detected components such as water and ammonia, the newly discovered molecules could serve as building blocks and fuel for microbes, and they could potentially support an independent origin of life. Since the discovery of Enceladus' oceans, the moon has been a prime target in the search for the fundamental building blocks of life. This could really just actually show us how life came to be, if there is life on it, and it's got everything it needs. So, they are especially excited to detect the presence of hydrogen cyanide because it's one of the most important and versatile building blocks of life. When combined with other molecules, hydrogen cyanide can help form nucleobases and amino acids, which are the precursors to more complex biochemistry, such as proteins and RNA. Now, simulations have shown that these transformations are possible in environments that are very similar to Enceladus' ice shell. So, many molecules that are important for the origin of life could very easily have formed and still be forming on Enceladus today. It is pretty much the prime target for life. Out of everything in the solar system, Enceladus is kind of it. If there is life somewhere else, it is probably going to be here. And this is just nuts. Including the, whoopsies. Including all the hydrocarbons. So, come down here, we've got a complete list of all the compounds and stuff they found. Look at all these hydrocarbons. Kidding, propane, cyanamide, propane, ethanol, formic acid. I mean, this list just goes on, and then we got even more. Look at all these hydrocarbons. This is pretty nuts. This is really awesome, too. So, I will put a link to this paper in the description also, which is, well, next to that subscribe button. Well, anyways, yep, that was a suspicious cut because somebody decided to use my camera as a landing pad, and, well, that didn't go too well. Luckily, the camera is still operating. Anyways, I'm going to end the video there. There wasn't much more to yap about anyways. I do want to leave it by telling you guys about this website that I love to use. It's called eurekalert.org, and it has the latest, hourly updates on science news. As soon as news comes out, it's up here. I love it. They've got a huge listing by topic. Personally, I like the space and planetary section. Now, I'm not being paid by them. I'm not promoting this for them. This is just a site that I really love and enjoy that I think everyone should really check out. It's pretty cool. Anyways, until later today or tomorrow. Also, please let me know in the comments what time is best for you to watch live stream, because I am geared up to start doing this live. And right now, one of the big things I'm trying to figure out is what time is best for everyone. And if you can, just let me know in GMT. That way we're all on kind of the same time zone. And I will try to schedule any upcoming streams when everyone can watch. Anyways, have a great day.